and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a great tutorial on some customized Agate coasters. Now if you don't know what Agate coasters are, I will show you what they look like. I did them with Alex and I's name. You can see right here, I'll try and let it focus. I feel like these are kind of getting more trendy just because a lot of people will use these for their weddings. Now a lot of people will use place cards, like acrylic place cards. I've seen them before all over Etsy. A lot of people have done tutorials on them on YouTube as well, but the Agate coasters are just super pretty and I think they're super elegant, and I think it's more up and coming because a lot of people want to stray away from the acrylic cards. And by the way, these come in all different colors, sizes as well. I did get these from Amazon, shockingly. I was about to order them from Etsy and I said, let me just check on Amazon to see if they have them, and they did. I will definitely put the link below for the ones that I got specifically. And these were so easy to make. I think this video might be one of my shortest videos yet because it's just applying adhesive to them, but they are so beautiful and so elegant. So I want to get right into this tutorial. But before I do, you guys know the drill. If you are new here, I hope you watch my video and I hope you guys love this video. And if you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click my subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this and more videos of mine. And I did want to make a quick announcement actually, speaking of weddings and speaking of wedding tutorials. I know that I'll definitely be trying to incorporate more wedding tutorials because I actually am engaged. It happened this past weekend and I'll post a picture right here. I did post that on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on there, definitely follow me on there. I just got engaged and I'm super thrilled and I'm so happy. Alex and I are kind of discussing engagement party ideas and wedding venues and whatnot. I will 100% be adding more wedding tutorials, so I'm very excited about that and I hope you guys are too. And if you are, please let me know what videos you'd like to see down below in the comment section. Let's get into the video. First, as always, open Cricut Design Space and click the text button. Type in the name or table number for the coaster. I'm using the font Papery Cream, which is part of a bundle I bought, I'm pretty sure, on creativemarket.com, which I will link below. Next, I'm going to adjust the letter spacing since this is a script font and we want our letters to attach. I adjusted the letters M and Y a little bit more because they looked a little wonky in my opinion, but that is a personal preference, of course. Once I adjusted them, I then grouped them and then welded it. And then I'm going to do the same exact thing for Alex's name. So beforehand I actually made two, so I'm just comparing which ones I like the best and then finalizing them. And then don't forget to save your work and we can click continue and make it. Now, the size of my Agate coasters were about 3 inches, so I decided to make the text around 2.3 to 2.5 inches. And we also do not have to mirror our text because we're working with permanent vinyl today and not HTV vinyl. We'll click the settings for vinyl and then get our vinyl ready on the Cricut mat. I am using metallic gold permanent vinyl and I'm using my roller tool to make sure it's pressed onto the mat firmly. When you're ready, you can insert the mat into the Cricut, click the arrow button, and then the Cricut Go button for it to cut the material. We We can then remove the vinyl once it's done by clicking the arrow button and then begin to weed our work. Again, I always like to remove the inside of the letters first and then remove the background just because it's a little bit easier, especially with this script font. It's a little bit on the thinner side. I decided to cut it first and make it a little bit smaller so I could save the extras for scraps. And then carefully remove the background since this is a thin font. Sometimes the letters will pick up, so that's why you want to go extra slow and just take your time. You can see when I was pulling up the background for my name, the Y got a little stuck, but then I just went a little bit slowly and then placed my finger down, and then it was fine. Now we can take our transfer tape, which mine is from the Dollar Tree, and then I'm just measuring the size of it so it's not sticking to the table while I'm scraping it down. So I'm just cutting it and making it a little bit smaller. And then when we're done, we can remove the backing from it and adhere it to the text. Make sure it's flat by getting our scraper tool and then really scraping it down. I also never really put this in normal speed. I always speed this part up, so I wanted you guys to actually see what it would look like in real time. I really go over it thoroughly as much as I can. And then let's take them both, and I will get my Agate coasters, which are right here. And what I like about these is that the bottom has these 4 little kind of rubber areas, so that way it won't scratch the table you'll be putting it on. So now we could scrape it one more time, and I like to remove the backing so we can adhere the text to the coaster. Also, when applying this, it's okay if the text isn't perfectly aligned or straight. It makes it look a little bit more unique, and plus you can always turn the coaster around. Look at that shine. I love this metallic gold. So I'm going to do the same thing for Alex, and this part I'm going to speed it up a little. We're all done. Look at these coasters. I am obsessed with these, and I love the metallic gold on them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you loved it just as much as I did making it. Like I said, these were super easy to make and super fast, especially I think really the gold was a nice touch to put on the Agate coasters. You could have definitely done silver, depending if you want to do like a silver and blue theme. They come in all different colors with blue, neutrals, like earthy tones, purples, greens, literally any color you can think of. If that's what you want to do, if this is for your wedding, definitely try and get those in bulk because they are amazing. And they are good quality too. Like people can use these for coasters eventually, so people are not just using the place cards and throwing them out at the wedding afterwards. This can also be incorporated into their favors if you wanted. So the amount of things that you can do with these little guys are endless. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click my subscribe button for more videos like this and more Cricut tutorials. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day and a wonderful start of their week, and I will see everyone in the next video. Bye! I'm engaged.